2016 Dodge Journey. Dodge Journey combines the practicality of an SUV with the comfort of a car, all while boasting a style all its own. The Journey's optional third row seat, along with innovative features like a chilled beverage cooler and in-floor storage bins, make it a good and affordable alternative to a traditional minivan. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, electronic stability control, CD player, fog lights, compass, power windows, trip computer, rear window defroster, panic alarm, overhead console, tachometer, brake assist, remote keyless entry. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.